Hey guys, welcome to part 2. So our camera cut off. So yeah. So let's do it. Let's just. Oh yeah, you're not allowed to use my hands. I dragged it closer. You didn't add any.
I thought, are you true?
Yeah.
Got it. Okay.
That was the tiniest piece in the world.
Is it even activating?
Yeah. You would know that because you're looking.
No, I'm not. I'm looking this way. I'll even hold it.
Actually, after me kneading it, my slime's gotten good.
The color isn't though.
No, the colour looks like vomit. When it clears up, it'll be cool.
Oh! Did I? Stop! I feel like you're pushing me.
Stop looking!
I'm not.
Drip. You did not.
Oh.
Stop looking!
Stop.
No jokes. Do you want to stop now? Because, like, if you stop now,
What?
if we stop activating now and we go on to the test, you might not be able to pick up your slime.
I know.
Stop trying to look!
I'm saying to you, stop trying to knock the bucket of 4 mil into my slime.
Well, I am stopping. Oh, jeez, that hit me in the face. Me in the face, yeah.
Oh my god, stop! You just.
No, I actually didn't. That's my slime.
What is it?
Maybe that was the fish.
Like,
Oh.
no.
Guys, she added about this much. Wait, I'll show you what my slime. I think it's a perfect amount of activator.
No, it isn't. Let me just keep mixing.
Oh yeah, you can see me nod. Can't wait to test these because I have a feeling I'm gonna win.
Just gotta wait. You never know, mine might be pretty good.
It's not. Mine's gotten
Okay,
really
can
pretty.
I look at mine? I feel like I'm done.
Okay, go over to that seat and I'll move this one. Okay, guys, because she has eczema, or whatever it's called.
Eczema.
She can add more activator because we don't want her touching just glue.
It's not just glue. This is activated good.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Can I have more glue?
No!
Actually, I can use my tub.
Look how pretty mine is. What color glitter did I add in?
Green,
And
pink,
and
yellow.
green, pink, and yellow.
Easter.
I can see the pink
The pink because the first one you added was pink.
and the second,
Green,
third, yellow.
yeah. You added like a drop of yellow because you didn't know what was adding, so you just stopped after a drop.
Oh, mine feels so good.
Oh, she's gonna win. I added way too little foam beads.
That was by accident. I didn't want to add a lot of foam beads.
You did that on purpose.
I just gotta keep kneading this, and it should be good.
Guys, we have to get hyper for today. We're doing the 3 a.m. slime challenge.
It's 9 o'clock though.
Yeah, so it's another like 6 hours. Guys, we're gonna prove that YouTubers just edit their videos on the 3 a.m. challenge. Like nothing bad happens. I feel like that's activator on the table.
What? I'm just gonna try to get some of them today.
Because I feel activator strings coming back in my slime after putting it there.
I need a bit more activator, and my fingers are stinging.
Yeah, you need a bit more activator and I need a bit more glue.
Then we can do that. 3. You're only allowed a drop of everything though. Like, I'll show you how much you're allowed. If I have that much activator, you have to take. Okay, yeah. Just because my hands are really itchy now. Are getting really itchy. Did you do sabotage?
Sabotage what?
Mine's pretty. Yours is ugly.
I want to sabotage by putting this slime in it, but I was like, no, she'll realize a bit. Because her slime was kind of the same as mine when she was going to put the green in. She picked up green first and then she put in yellow. Even though she put way too much yellow, it didn't dye it. Because the yellow foam beads took over. I have a feeling you knew the yellow foam beads.
What?
She knew what where the yellow foam beads were. And
No,
she knew she dyed her slime yellow.
No, I didn't.
Yes, she did.
No, I didn't.
Use the glue in there.
I don't need the glue.
Yeah, you do. You have to use the glue.
No.
Use the glue, or the glue will use you.
Okay.
Yeah, because glue can use you.
I want to see mine's on my look your elbow. I didn't. That was from that. Did you pour stuff on the table?
Sabotage.
That wasn't me.
She tried to murder me. She
That
stabbed me.
wasn't me.
Guys, she stabbed me.
That wasn't me. Shut the front door.
She stabbed me. I know she did. Because I felt it.
Yeah, you didn't even know it's still there. I didn't even do anything.
Yeah, she did.
No, I didn't. Dope.
She sabotaged my elbow to sabotage. Good luck finding that. It's like finding a pin in a needle stack.
Good thing finding the slime in your hair.
I think I found it.
My hands are so itchy.
Test!
In a second, I just need to wash my hands. Move my hands. Oh, my fingers are so itchy. Oh, I'm gonna bleed soon. This is so annoying.
Can't wait to do the 3 a.m. slime challenge.
I can't wait to go to bed. Oh, I'm joking, I'm not tired.
I was like, oh, Abby, you can't even do the 3 a.m. challenge for your fans.
You can stay up.
I can do it by myself.
Yeah.
Wow, Abby, that's a great cozy. Would that be a bit weird? Me sitting in here.
When my mom comes home, I'm watching TV with her. I'll talk on Snapchat and then watch TV.
And then wait till 3 a.m.
She's probably going to stay up late so we can watch like stuff with her.
And then when it turns 3
My eyes just got really tired when... Did I fall asleep on the couch?
Yep.
What were you doing? Did you say, I think Abby's asleep on the couch? Is that what you said?
Nope.
Do you think... Yeah, I fall asleep on the couch all the time. I don't know. What the fuck? My dad told us scary stories. Because a person called on the phone.
He was like, where do you live?
No, he goes, hello. She goes, hello. And then Kaylee goes, hello. And then she goes, who are you? I go, Abby. And then she goes, whose house are you in? And I said, I just hung up. And then Kaylee kept saying, oh, someone's going to come to the house.
They probably are. When we're all in bed.
No. They're probably looking for my mother.
Probably are. But they asked where you live.
No, they asked what house, whose house are you in?
And then her dad scoffed.
No, my dad called that phone. That was my dad. That's why he was racing me to the phone.
I knew it.
Yeah, I know. I do as well.
It's like Abby does not live in London.
Yeah. I was not in London.
Great. Okay, guys, slime test.
Okay, what are we doing first? Mine's jam packed with fun beads, so.
Pokeability.
Wait, no. Mine was just moving. You click yours.
Okay.
That was the exact same. 1
Yeah.
point to each of us. What's next?
Okay, next.
Spread. I'm wondering.
Eye slime is not butter slime.
Mine can spread.
Stretchability.
Okay.
So you go like this and you just wait till it falls down and how far to stretch. Of your snaps, you lose. Please snap. Please snap. It's so good. Hurry up and snap. It's not gonna snap. Oh no!
I was dropping my slime. I don't have a good grip. I didn't have a good grip on it and I let go.
I won.
Now can we do that again since I let go of my slime by accident?
I started before you.
3. We'll put it into a sausage.
And then we have to name our slimes at the end.
Put it into a sausage. Wait. I'm gonna go. Oh yeah, I need to have a better grip this time. Wait. I'm gonna let a little bit drop at a time so then you have a lot of slime.
But you're not allowed to touch it, only with the part that you're... When your slime snap.
I started way before you, that's so unfair. So I guess both of us got it because it's really, really stretchy, like, wow. Okay, next is a crackle test, so you have to make a swirl and then crack it.
Oh, you do the swirl the same way as me.
Oh wait,
Or mine's metallic-y because I added metallic powder.
so did I.
But I don't understand how it's not more metallic. I felt like I dropped a million.
You didn't.
My fingers turned metallic after.
Sorry.
First Abby's, and I'll keep doing this because Abby started. Guess what?
Mine had so much crackles. Ours was so good. I'm still cracking mine.
Same.
No, but I did mine before you and mine.
Okay. That was a draw.
Now bubble test. Let's see if I can. I can't do a bubble with mine.
Oh, I might actually win!
No.
I made a bubble.
So did I. Oh, I made a bubble there.
Okay, proper bubble test.
I made a bubble.
I made a bubble. I win.
No.
Okay, now who can?
Yeah, I won.
No, you
The
didn't.
bubble.
Abby.
Yeah, I did. I just did an amazing bubble. You're just like, I gotta redeem myself.
Oh, and it stayed. I won.
Let me have another go then.
No, you're not.
See?
So
You got another chance.
Yeah, we got the same amount of chances.
Woo.
Okay, comment down below whose slime you like better. Mine.
Mine
Your favorite
called
YouTubers.
Lemonade slime.
Mine's called
Ugly stuff that comes out your bottom.
Melon.
That is not a melon.
Melon slime.
Okay, it's something that comes out your booty. That's what it should be called.
It's hardy poop.
Yeah, it is. Show them off your poop slime.
Okay. Have fun in there. Oh, that's your pug slime. I was like, why isn't it going?
And I hope you like my videos. If you did, give it a big
Guys, I'll
thumbs
show
up,
you my
subscribe,
poop slime. Poop.
Give me some.
My poop slime?
I pooped in my panties.
Do you want me to get one of your ones?
Yeah, sure. Get me a good one.
Fluffy?
No.
Crunchy?
Yeah.
That's our crunchy one. Guys, we done the challenge. Oh my god, guys. I know this is going to be satisfying. Wait.
Yeah. It's so satisfying.
It's poop falling from the sky.
Do you hear that?
Mine's a crunchy poopy slime, so it looks like...
Oh, look how good. Look how glossy, guys. Wait, I have to show them. Oh, it's clear. I didn't even use clear glue.
You did.
No, I didn't use clear glue. Oh, this feels so good.
Mine's so glossy. You evil girl.
So in mine, it's just a white base slime with whatchamacallit in it, with white, not white, yellow food coloring in it, with blue small foam beads and pink big ones, and some little bunny jam, like little bunny pieces.
Oh yeah, I fixed that.
Because all of them melt so quickly and it's annoying. This feels so good though.
This feels so good.
Something. Yeah, a piece of your slime I think just hit my eye.
Okay, guys.
I
Make
hope you
sure to like,
subscribe, share, and put your post notifications on. But actually, subscribe to my channel as well, Just Debbie. And since there's so many channels, since you know what I look like, look for that. And don't subscribe to her channel. Bye.
Subscribe.